friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to find a lost Android TV remote. Method 1. First we need to install Google Home app. See, I already installed Google Home app in this phone. Let me open. Tap on this Home app icon. Then we need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Tap on this Devices tab. Then we need to add TV. I already added TV. Here you can see the TV name. If you want to add TV, you can tap on this add button. Let me tap on this TV name. Tap on the settings icon over here. Here you can see find my remote option. Tap here. Then tap on play sound. This way we can play sound on remote and find lost TV remote. If you want to stop this sound, you can tap on the stop option over here, or you can press any button on the remote. That way you can stop this sound. Okay, so this is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. In some TV you can find a button to play sound on remote. You just need to press that button on the TV. That way you can play sound on the remote and you can locate the remote. That is a method 2. These are the two methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.